Every Windows 11 user should know about this free customization utility. If you're a Windows 11 user, today's video is going to make your whole life a little easier. I'm going to introduce you to an amazing free customization utility that every Windows 11 user should know about. Trust me, once you see this, you'll wonder how you lived without it. So let's dive right in. So as you know, Windows 11 has a fresh new look and feel, but what if I told you you could take that customization even further? You can personalize everything from the taskbar to the start menu and more with just one simple tool. Today we're talking about a tool called Start All Back. It's a free utility designed specifically for Windows 11 to help you customize your system and restore some of the classic Windows feature you might miss, like the Start menu, taskbar, and even File Explorer. But don't worry, it also works well with the Windows 11 features, so you can get the best of both worlds. Head over to the Start All Back website to download this utility. To get started, simply visit startallback.com. Once you're on this site, you can download the software. You'll see that it's free for the first 30 days, and after that, there's a small one-time fee to keep using it. Once the file is downloaded, simply double-click to install it. The installation is pretty quick and there's nothing complicated about it. Now, let's open up Start All Back and explore its feature. First up, we have Start Menu Customization. You can easily switch back to a more classic Start menu like Windows 7 or stick to the modern style of Windows 11. You can also adjust the transparency and style of the Start menu to make it look extra or however you want. As you can see here, you can simply switch the Start menu with just a few clicks. You can also adjust the size, color, and even the layout of the icons. Now let's move on to taskbar. Windows 11 puts the icon in the center by default, but with Start All Back, you can easily move them to the left, just like older versions of Windows. But that's not all. You can tweak the taskbar's transparency, add custom animations, and even change the icon sizes. Here I'm showing you how to simply combine the taskbar buttons, center task icons, and even maintain the segments as well. You can choose whatever and however your taskbar to look like. Start All Back even goes further. It lets you tweak the File Explorer to make it look cleaner and more efficient. You can also add new themes, icons, and even change the behavior of your File Explorer to match your style. And that's not all. Start Back also includes advanced features like tweaking the context menus and modifying the right-click options. You can also control how the system behaves or enable features like transparency effects on Windows 11.